This is going to be a quick video tutorial to show you how to remove unwanted objects from your photos or even an image. You'll notice here I have a mountain scenery going on, but I have a girl stuck right in the middle of it and I don't want her there. So the first thing we're going to do to remove this, we're going to duplicate this picture so we don't ruin the original. You can do that with a Control or Command J, or you can right click and just select duplicate. Okay, now that we have this duplicated, well, next thing we want to do is we want to use the inpainting brush tool, and you'll find the inpainting brush tool underneath this icon that looks like a band-aid. It's a healing brush tool. Go down here and select that, and you'll notice, an inpainting brush tool is for smart content removal, and you'll notice the little circle it makes there. You can adjust the width of that up here. So we'll go there, or we can adjust it down smaller. But because you don't have to be exact on these at all, I'm going to put mine about around 30-ish. 30, 33 is good enough. And let me zoom in on her. To remove her from this picture, all you have to do is paint over her. Doesn't have to be exact. And release, and she's gone. And now if you want to look at the difference, you can just simply turn off this layer, and you have that layer. Turn it back on, and there you go. And that's really all there is to it. If this has helped you remove objects from your photos or images, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and you have a good day.